Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua, we have the 2010 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. This one has the PDK transmission, and this is the 997.2. Oh, sounds awesome. This one is absolutely gorgeous spec, littered in carbon inside. See, all carbon here, all carbon here. Carbon door sills. This carbon trim in the back piece here. This thing has every carbon fiber interior panel I think you can option. This is all carbon. That's carbon. This is all carbon, carbon, carbon. Wheel is carbon. This is all carbon. Wow. Red seat belts. It's my rule of thumb for saying you know you're in something fun when you have red seat belts. Visors. This one does have Alcantara roof, sunroof. Oh boy. Now, paddle shifters on these are a little weird, but I've already gotten used to them, or so I hope. Push forward for an upshift, pull towards you for a downshift. You can use this up for upshift, down for downshift. Yeah. We're in Sport Plus. PASM on. Let's go for a drive, see what this thing's all about. Love the 997. Oh, these things are good. Love this car. 997.2 is a gorgeous car. There aren't too many school bus stops on this street that I know of, so. My rule of thumb that I use with paddles is because I've used a lot of different other paddles. So in this case, I only upshift with this hand. I could downshift and upshift with either hand. But to save myself the confusion and the mistake, I always push this paddle in, pull this one out. If I need to swap it, I do, but that's just what I found to be the easiest. Or, I mean, you could sit there and use the actual gear shift. Please do not take the highway. I need some room to open this thing up. Oh, what a machine. You know, honestly, once I've gotten used to this, if this was my daily driver, this makes sense. This is much better than Corvettes, where I think it had like one paddle up here and another paddle down low. It was a pain in the butt. This is way better than Corvettes. The C6 Corvette. Oh. So direct. Try to think the first year they came out with PDK. I know they had Tiptronic in the 996, but I don't know, this might be one of the first PDKs. I've driven the 992 4S, I've driven the 991 4S, and now the 997 4S, and they are so different. They're so alike and so different. They're alike in the manner, in the way that they're just the best driver's cars of that era. These are phenomenal bargains now. Well, they're still expensive, but, oh, like, in order to get this involvement and this joy, you have to spend a lot of money elsewhere. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.